Oh man, sorry for the noise. Again, the first style is glued in. Right. I used when my socks get too old to wear, my athletic socks, I use them as shop rags. So I soaked one in the water that I was drinking because I don't have any water in here, obviously, because it's a workshop. So I flushed off this side here. I cleaned it off with the wet rag on the inside as well as the outside, so any squeeze out is out. I lucked out. I have 5/8 inch headless brad nails. Yeah, so not only is it lined up and clamped in place, the nails are just there to keep it in line with the edge and make sure it's nice and flush. And then once it's done curing, not done curing, but once I get back from the hardware store, when I get more clamps, I'm gonna do the opposite side, flip it over to the opposite side, then do the runners in between, and then I can sit overnight to cure. Once I do the other panel, I'm gonna go ahead and take a scrap piece of plywood, a piece of the plywood that I have left over from the cutoff, and stain it the color my wife wants and make sure it's the color she wants. This is probably gonna end up being used in the shop somehow. But yeah, I sanded this down to 120, and the inside of these boards here, these little 1/4 inch by 2 1/4 boards, down to 80 grit, so that when the fibers mesh with glue, it'll make a nice lifelong bond. So I gotta put this sucker now and go get more clamps. Yay! Thank you for watching Leo Builds It. Please like, comment, and or subscribe.